Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. So it's 3:45 a.m. and I completed a myelordosis. It was very easy. So I have to just complete 2 videos of general path and then फिर मेरा वो complete हो जाएगा. Then I'll start HIMAT. Probably I'll start now only in an hour because I'm not sleepy. But I am hungry और मैं फिर से कल की तरह मैगी बनाने जा रही हूँ shamelessly. And from tomorrow I'll have to figure out something else. हेलो जी. तो अभी हो रहा है 4:57 PM और ये बन गई है मेरी कॉफ़ी. मैं पढ़ने बैठ रही हूँ. आई हैव कम्प्लीटेड बचा हुआ जो भी मेरा जनरल पैथ था और मैंने हिमैट स्टार्ट कर दिया था. मैंने 2 से 3 वीडियोस किए हैं. अब मैं कंटिन्यूसली पढ़ूँगी एंड आई पुट द व्लॉग बाय नाइट. It's 8:25 and I have reached hemolytic anemia. I think आज का टारगेट हो जाएगा. Let's see. अभी I haven't done my dinner, so probably मैं dinner के लिए उठूँगी. But I'll not take ज़्यादा लंबा break, maybe 15 to 20 minutes का. And then I'll sit and study again. I honestly struggle to do HIMAT because I've never liked it. But because of this accountability thing, I'm doing it anyways. Let's see अभी कितना हो पाता है. It's 10:35 PM. And I'm still doing hemolytic anemia. I had said that I'll not take a long break, but I ended up taking a really long break. I honestly don't think मेरे आज के targets achieve होने वाले हैं. Anyways, I'll put up the vlog by 2:30 AM or 3 AM tonight. But seriously man, these videos are longer. Like general का बहुत कम ड्यूरेशन का था वीडियोस, बट दीज आर एवरी वीडियो इज़ लाइक फॉर 60 minutes और 75 minutes, 1.5 घंटे का ऐसा है. It's 14th guys and 20th तक I have to complete my pathology and the remaining portion of ENT. ENT also I think I have done just 45%. 50% भी नहीं हुआ है मेरा. I don't know how I'll do it. Now if someone is watching who is being very inconsistent with their studies and who's not able to focus, so you can follow the same schedule that I am following. There will be accountability also and you'll be able to achieve your targets also. So in every vlog I'll keep saying that मैं आज क्या क्या करने वाली हूँ and then accordingly you can also do those same subjects throughout the day. And like if you're waiting for me to finish path तो मुझे I think 3 दिन और लगेगा at least. उससे पहले तो नहीं होने वाला. Then I'll do remaining portion of ENT and from 21st I'll be starting ortho like fresh. I haven't done ortho थोड़ा सा भी अभी. First read बच्चा है मेरा. It's 1:27 AM and I have just completed RBC. I'm going to start WBC and I can't even tell you मैंने कितना रो करके complete किया है. I actually hate hematology. Mostly at night I'm really hungry, so my mother always cooks something for me and she keeps it in the kitchen. She actually cooked 6 of these, but since I was very hungry, so I already ate 4. So I have already started WBC and right now it's 1:35, so 1 घंटे में complete हो जाएगा ये. And I'll upload the vlog now because I've taken a break. And नहीं हुआ मेरा आज का भी target as usual. But I'm very happy because I know if I would not have been posting these, मेरे से इतना भी नहीं हो पाता. So I completed yesterday's modules that were left and I also completed these. So I told I'll do till AML or myeloid, but 3 videos मैंने कम किए हैं. So tomorrow's target is I have to complete whole of HIMAT anyhow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow and I have to complete HIMAT anyhow. And I hope I do it and कल का vlog भी around 1:32 आएगा. So bye guys and happy studying.